GSys Technologies India Private Limited. We are a solar BOS component manufacturer and supplier. We manufacture solar DCDB, ACDB, LT panel, HT panel, earthing, lightning, and other BOS components for the solar on-grid, off-grid, as well as the hybrid system. So we fully concentrate the entire system other than panel and inverter. So the panel and inverter, we always recommend the buyer to buy from a authorized distributor or from the direct manufacturer, so that you will continue to get the 25 years lifetime warranty from the manufacturer or from the authorized distributor. Coming to our product in the BOS, we have two series of product. One is String Shield and other model is String Cord. String Shield, we always say it is a premium class product, and which has the hand-picked equipments, hand-picked components, which built in to make the DCDB and ACDB. See here, we displayed all the ACDB, DCDB in the expo display. So you can see the variety of boxes whatever we have. Here the String Shield series name, we make ACDB, DCDB and off-grid combiner boxes and array junction boxes and combo boxes, which has a different specification, different make of components and BOQ inbuilt in it. Here we just displayed the different combination of the ACDBs, 20 kilowatt ACDB. This is again the same 20 kilowatt ACDB with auto disconnect relay. This is 20 kilowatt DCDB, and this is again the same 20 kilowatt ACDB with meter. So we have different varieties in ACDB itself, like with the indicator, with auto cutoff, with the energy meter. Without indicators, we have so many products like this. In String Shield alone, we use very premium quality products, like all the boxes whatever we made, it is IP65 and IP66 protector, and all these boxes are polycarbonate enclosure which can give a expected life of 25 years. And these boxes are tested for UV resistant testing and salt spray test. All these tests are used to maintain the box quality till the end of the lifetime of the product. So that's what we ensure to say it is 25 years lifetime. When it comes to combo boxes, you can see the combo boxes displayed. Combo box means in a single box we are integrating ACDB and DCDB together. What is ACDB, DCDB? You may be knowing. DCDB, which is placed in between panel and inverter. The ACDB is placed between inverter and LT panel. So these two DBs like ACDB, DCDB are used to protect the inverter and panel, which is high valued components in the project. So in the combo box, what we are doing, we are combining AC and DC in a single box, so that in a single box customer can get a solution. So that is displayed here, which we made it as of now. We have a combo box from 1 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt, which we can readily have a stock with our distributor and our factory. We can able to dispatch on immediate basis. Coming to String Cord series, these are the product range selected as per the government norms and which has the highest quality standard as per the market demand. When compared this product ranges with the market available product, this product are engineered and designed with the highest specification, highest quality standards, so that this product meets the customer expectation in all the view, like the design perspective, quality, certification, whatever you say, everything is covered with the String Cord series. In String Cord series also, we have all the product like ACDB, DCDB, AJP, combiner boxes, all LT panel, including all these components we have in the Cord series also. So when it comes to Cord series, same like we have a combo box as well, which a combo box which display ACDB and DCDB in a single enclosure. That's one. And third, we came up with one more product called MyCord, which is metal enclosure based DBs, which has ACDB, DCDB inbuilt in a single enclosure. So which is we recently launched. This is useful for the indoor applications. Any indoor application you feel, these boxes are well fit in. So we make it in-house in different varieties. MyCord series concern, which is only the metal enclosure. Apart from that, the rest of the component whatever we use, that is equivalent to the String Cord series product. So in a single place, you will have a multiple variety of products. And what the difference in the uniqueness with the GSys is, we are pioneer in DCDB ACDB. So what we have a DCDB ACDB variety of almost 4,500 products. Like we manipulate all the permutation combination at a single place. Based on the permutation combination, we arrived almost 4,500 plus products. I mean part numbers, which is being followed by our salespeople. So based on your requirement, based on the site proposal, based on the state, based on the policy of the nodal agencies, we used to segregate we used to identify the part number and we used to offer to the customer, which is ready-made for us. So all these 4,500 products are preloaded in our ERP system. So it is just in time we can execute it. Okay.